Learning a new language in 2025 is nothing like it used to be. Gone are the days of endless grammar drills and thick textbooks. Thanks to artificial intelligence, mastering a language is now faster, easier, and a lot more enjoyable. Today, I am breaking down the 5 must-have AI tools that will help you become fluent in any language, no matter your starting point. Our first stop is Duolingo Max. This is not just your friendly green owl anymore. With artificial intelligence built on GPT-4, Duolingo Max offers real-time explanations, lets you role-play conversations, and adapts instantly to your mistakes. Think of it as having a 24/7 language tutor right in your pocket. Whether you are a beginner or brushing up on advanced skills, Duolingo Max keeps your learning experience personal and engaging. Next up is LingQ, a tool powered by artificial intelligence reading assistants. LingQ allows you to import any text, articles, books, or even your favorite blog posts, and instantly get translations, word breakdowns, and context. Instead of boring drills, you are learning from content you actually love. This means you can immerse yourself in real-world language while building vocabulary and comprehension naturally, making every reading session both productive and enjoyable. Third on our list is Speak AI, one of the hottest tools for pronunciation practice. Imagine speaking to your phone and getting instant, artificial intelligence-powered feedback on your accent, intonation, and rhythm. It is like karaoke for language learners, except your performance improves every single time. Speak AI helps you sound more natural and confident, so you are ready for real conversations with native speakers. Number 4 is Memrise, which now features artificial intelligence-driven chatbots. These bots do not just throw random phrases at you, they simulate real conversations. Whether you are ordering food in Spanish, negotiating in French, or flirting in Italian, these artificial intelligence chats prepare you for real-life situations without the fear of embarrassment. Practice makes perfect, and Memrise makes practice feel real. Finally, there is ChatGPT Custom GPTs. You can literally design your own artificial intelligence tutor. Want a Japanese sensei who only corrects grammar lightly? Or a German coach who pushes you on business vocabulary? Just set it up, and you have a personalized teacher that matches your exact learning style, making your language journey uniquely yours. So there you have it, 5 artificial intelligence-powered tools that can transform your language journey in 2025. Duolingo Max for adaptive practice, LingQ for immersive reading, Speak AI for pronunciation, Memrise chatbots for real-world conversations, and ChatGPT Custom GPTs for personalized coaching. The future of language learning is here, and it is powered by artificial intelligence. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments.